Hi, I'm Tamil. This is review of a mentorship program conducted by ST, a simple trader. I've been trading around 1 year. Considering my trading journey, there was lots of ups and downs. I was jumping from strategy to strategy, although not making consistent money. I was in a stage of quit trading. On one fine day, I got to see a YouTube video of ST with a startup called BOF. There he was explaining the fundamental concept of market, which is buyers and sellers sentiment on the zones, how they are transacting, how who might get trapped, and so on. So I got really excited and joined his Telegram channel, where he'll also host a free live session. There he could explain his trade reasons with more logic, also with a buyers and sellers point of view. I've cleared a lot of my queries in those sessions, especially regarding BOF setup, and I was gaining some understanding about his logic behind the every trade. After observing for around 3 weeks, I decided to take a mentorship program from him. I was so grateful now that I took a right decision. In a matter of 2 days, he explained every setups. I was backtested those setups with the charts, which is in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Although he always encourages us to trade and practice in the live market with a real emotion. With his live support, we could understand the setup and logic very well. Also, he would correct us whenever we go in the wrong direction in a polite way. I'm not sure whether anyone could do this like him in this live market. With his setups, along with this guidance, I got a confidence to taking a trade with more logic and less emotions. Now I am trading with no indicators, no OA data, nothing, no illusions of that. I am able to trade with logic, adhering to the principle and setup with a good risk reward. With his 2 weeks live session, where he would teach us the psychological part, the true phase of mastering any skill, how to be disciplined, and how and why simple thing matters a lot. These things are useful for trading, but also for life. I would recommend you to take ST's mentorship program to everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or expert. Believe me, what this program will change your way you look at the market, especially to the people who wants to make their trading as a career. It will be really helpful in the long run. I am so grateful to meet a mentor like ST who focuses on adding value to people's. I wish a good health to you and your family, ST, and please continue provide value to others. Thanks again.